So that was a startup of the 1971 Montgomery Ward Signature Series window air conditioner. I made a video of this unit back in late December during a meetup between me and 4 other HVAC enthusiasts. It has since been restored and reinstalled, and it's running like new. As always, I got my temperature gun with me, and I'm going to measure the air that this thing puts out. I'm gonna measure it now, and then in a few minutes see what the difference is. So right now it's like 52. That's still dropping actually. Yeah, it's pretty chilly outside, so it's
Everybody trusts them now.
Right now it's at 48, 49. I wouldn't be surprised if in a few minutes it drops into the 30s. It's been running for a few minutes now. Let's see what's what. It's like 43.
That's a pretty good split, being as it's like 60 degrees outside, and in here it's 73. So that ain't bad at all.
And it's 54 years old, or 53.
Not bad at all. Recips tend to get down to business much quicker than deliveries do, and they're also a lot smoother. You don't feel any vibration.
Oh yeah, it's not it's vibrating a little bit, but not that much. And I'm gonna turn it down to its coolest setting. See if it drops down.
Yeah, that's not.
We changed it by like a degree. In that case, I don't think that'll change much either, but curiosity kills the cat, so. It dropped down another degree, but I think that's because of the amount of time it's been running. I would imagine that it would warm up if I put it on fan, because the compressor wouldn't be running anymore.
It's going to continue to get colder and colder. Obviously, it's never get below freezing. If it got below freezing.
Yeah, it's getting close.
Yeah, if it got below freezing, it would freeze up. That tells you the charge is good. Pretty impressive.
Oh yeah, it feels even colder now.
Yes, good.
I've been deceived. It's not even colder.
It's probably not going to get much colder.
Unless I'm just not pointing it at the right spot. Which I think I am. Yeah, I don't think it's going to drop much more than that. Guess we'll go ahead and get an outside view of this thing. Here it is on the outside. As you can see, it's been repainted. Coils are nice and clean. Still running like new, regardless of its age. And there's your crescent moon. think it's in the 50s now. It's gonna get into the mid 40s tonight. So of course, as soon as I'm done with this video, actually no, I'm gonna get a shutdown clip before I wrap this video up. But there's your Fujitsu and the central air conditioners, which I was going to do a video of these units simultaneously starting up tonight, but it's getting a little too chilly for that. So I'm probably gonna do it tomorrow when it's warmer. You can hear that reciprocating compressor purring along there. Sounds really nice. Still got really good bearings. You can hear it spinning down. There's your indoor coil, all nice and clean. And there you have it. That'll be it.